Germany is one of the strongest and most respected economies in the world. When you think of Germany, you probably think of cutting-edge technology, incredible engineering, and unmatched discipline. But Germany's journey to the top wasn't always a smooth ride. This is the inspiring story of how Germany rebuilt itself from the ground up and became Europe's economic powerhouse. In the mid-20th century, Germany was a nation facing what seemed like impossible challenges. Its cities lay in ruins, its industries were heavily damaged, and its economy was in a state of collapse. At the time, many international experts predicted it would take decades, maybe even a century, for the country to recover. But Germany chose a different path. It was a path defined by meticulous planning, a deep respect for skill, and a relentless drive for innovation. Instead of dwelling on the past, the nation looked to the future, determined to build a stronger, more prosperous society. This was the beginning of an incredible transformation. This period of rapid recovery became famously known as Germany's Wirtschaftswunder, or the economic miracle. The government introduced bold economic reforms, including a new, stable currency, which created the confidence needed for investment. They didn't just rebuild old factories. They invested heavily in the most modern industries and technologies available. Factories were reconstructed with advanced machinery, making them more efficient than ever before. Critically, small and medium-sized businesses, known as the Mittelstand, became the backbone of the economy. These family-owned companies were agile, specialized, and focused on long-term growth, not just short-term profits. From this foundation, Germany cemented its global reputation for precision engineering. Names like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Volkswagen became synonymous with automotive excellence. Siemens and Bosch became leaders in industrial machinery and consumer goods. The label Made in Germany transformed into a symbol of unparalleled quality, reliability, and long-lasting value. Consumers around the world knew that a German product was a smart investment. This powerful combination of industrial might and constant innovation worked hand in hand to drive sustainable economic growth for decades. But what was the secret ingredient behind this success? One of the most important keys was Germany's unique approach to education. The country created a world-class dual vocational training system, which combines classroom theory with hands-on apprenticeship. This meant that workers weren't just learning from books, they were mastering their crafts in real-world environments. These focus on producing highly skilled labor created one of the most efficient, knowledgeable, and productive workforces on the planet, giving Germany a significant competitive advantage. Today, Germany stands as the undisputed economic engine of Europe. It is a global leader in exports, especially in high-tech machinery, vehicles, and chemical goods. 2. It's also at the forefront of the green energy revolution, investing billions in renewables like wind and solar. Its cities are modern, organized, and hubs of innovation, attracting talent from all over the world. As a central pillar of the European Union, Germany plays a major role in shaping the continent's economic policies and its future direction. Germany's incredible rise proves that with discipline, a commitment to education, and smart long-term planning, a nation can overcome even the most daunting obstacles. From the ashes of devastation to a position of global leadership, Germany's story is a powerful lesson for the entire world. It teaches us that true, lasting strength isn't just about economic power. It's built with knowledge, patience, and a clear vision for a better future. Thanks for watching. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.